Hello, boys and girls. Today we have a new math LEQ, but we are still focusing on measurement. So last time in measurement, we were working on the length, and we learned that things can be long or short. So from now on, we are going to be doing weight, how heavy or light something is. So let's take a look at our LEQ for today and this week. I'll read it first. It says, how can we describe the weight of two or more objects? So for my picture for weight, I drew a scale, and it's supposed to be a flower right here and a picture of me. Just thinking, what would be easier to carry, a flower or me? Yeah, a flower. So that would be considered something that is light, where compared to a flower, I would definitely be considered heavy. Let's look at our other words that are underlined. Describe. You were working on describing things last week also with longer and shorter. So when you describe something, you have to give detail and use our vocabulary words. And when we are comparing things, it's always going to be at least two or more objects. And remember, the word objects is like another word for things. So I'm going to read it again, and then I want you to read it with me. Here we go. Ready? How can we describe the weight of two or more objects? Oh, and then here is just another picture to kind of show you my scale. So a flower is light, whereas a person can be heavy. Okay, let's read it together. Here we go. How can we describe the weight of two or more objects? Nice job, boys and girls. I can't wait to see your work this week.